Chaitra. I am studying BSc B.Ed. It is a newly introduced course combining both BSc and B.Ed. I am in the first batch of Karnataka to pursue this course. I have taken up CBZ and I want to take up MSc Zoology. I have just now given my exams and I am waiting for my results. My mother used to be a full-time teacher. After her surgery, she stopped working and she started taking tuitions at home. I help her by taking maths and science for her students. Professionally, I want to be a teacher and help students learn in an easy and innovative way using new technology. I am looking at new opportunities to implement the innovative learning I have learned in my BSc B.Ed course. My mother is my major motivation to become a professional teacher. She inspired me by the way she used to teach her students and help them personally to learn the subjects better. She used to teach other grade students to learn languages. Even after she quit her job, her students come to visit her. They bring gifts for her on Teachers' Day and birthdays. All this inspired me to become a teacher and help students learn better, knowing the pressures and requirements of today's modern classes. And this topic from the 7th standard CBSE science textbook, it is a biology topic. The chapter name is Transportation in Plants and Animals. As we all know, food we eat goes to the stomach, or we can also say that it is transported to the stomach. It goes through esophagus to the stomach. So esophagus is helping organ there. So just like that, blood flows to all the parts of our body. In today's lesson, we learn how the blood flows to all the parts of the body. What are the organs involved in this lesson? Transportation in plants and animals under the topic circulatory system. Listen. First off, we will see what is blood. So, blood is a fluid which flows in blood vessels. It also carries the components which are required for the body like carbohydrates and proteins, and it transports it to all the parts of the body. Then blood is made of plasma. Then we have plasma, which is divided into three parts, that is RBC or the red blood cells, and WBC, white blood cells, and then we have platelets. So first is RBCs. What is RBCs? RBCs are red blood cells which contain hemoglobin. They bond with oxygen and it is transported to all the parts of the body. They make blood appear red in color. Then we have WBC, which helps us fight against germs or any foreign bodies. Then we have platelets. These help us in clotting the blood. Then we have blood vessels, which is categorized into arteries, veins and capillaries. So first is arteries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart. They have very thick walls. Then we have veins which carry only carbon dioxide blood to the heart, and they have valves to stop the blood flowing in both the directions, and they have valves to stop them. So then we have capillaries. Capillaries are nothing but arteries which are divided into small parts near the tissue region. Then we have the important organ, heart. Heart is a muscular organ which helps in transport of blood. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body. So as you can see here, heart has 4 chambers, which is the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and the left ventricle. Then we have aorta, vena cava and then pulmonary arteries. So it is shaded in 2 colors as you can differentiate. The right side, that is the right atrium and the right ventricle, has carbon dioxide rich blood which is received through the vein called the vena cava. Then this is pumped to the left ventricle where it is oxygenated, and the oxygenated blood is pumped to the aorta. Aorta circulates the oxygenated blood to all the parts of the body. This happens through the continuous beating of the heart, which is called heartbeat. Heartbeat is nothing but the continuous relaxation and contraction of the heart, which results in the pulse rate. An average human has a pulse rate of 73 when he is at rest. So the continuous beating of the heart helps in the pumping of the blood to all parts of the body.